my god. Oh my god, guys. Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now. Now, I'm not even sure if this video is going to get out to you guys or if it's even going to become a thing, but, you know, the title's a little bit clickbaity, I'll be honest. Actually, not really, but kind of. Anyways, hopefully this works. I'm going to test this out, but I wanted to test it out on camera because I know I'm going to have an interesting reaction, whether it works or whether it doesn't. So, that's going to be if this car will park itself. It's supposed to be able to, I think. I mean, maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm pretty sure that it's supposed to be able to like kind of park itself with this little guy right here. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, if we pop it in, like, I don't know what it says here. It says searching. See, like, you can parallel and then you can press OK to switch to perpendicular. So it searches for the spot. So we're going to test that out here today, guys. Is this the new Tesla SRT? Possibly. We're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and just act like as if we were gonna want to back into a spot. This actually makes me so nervous, but I have an empty parking lot, so let's just see if we were here. Okay, we're in drive, we want to park. Press OK to switch to perpendicular. Okay, so you have to be side. Okay, I see how it's working. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. All right, so we press the button down here, little park button, searching, switch to perpendicular, press OK, switch to parallel. It just says it's searching. Is it going to be able to find the spot? Does it need cars next to it? Is that why? Because I'm a little bit nervous if I have to park next to cars with this. I don't know. It just says it's searching, so it must be needing to look for cars. Do I risk it? Do I risk it, guys? Do I go over here in this parking lot where all these cars are and risk it and see if it's going to park for me? I don't know. I think I might have to. I don't know, guys. I'm a little bit nervous about that, but we're going to do it. You know, self-driving mode, you know, it should do its job, I hope, because, you know, it says that it's going to park, so that's so nerve-wracking. I hate that I have to park, like, next to, like, other cars for this to work, so let's see if we can make it work here.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so what do you think? So I just full send it, I guess, because apparently it only parks if you are, like, next to two cars, so you can't just, like, self-park it on its own. You need to be, like, in between two cars for parallel or, like, next to two cars for perpendicular. So do I send it over here in this parking lot? I just don't want to be that guy that's, you know, just sitting there trying to park in the parking lot. But I do have the GoPro up there, so we'll see if we can't get this to work. But I think you just need to pop it on and then put a signal on to, like, signal where you want to go. I guess we got the GoPro over there, so you guys will be able to see if it works. I guess I'm just gonna send it. You press the parking button, you put which way you want to do it, and then you're supposed to put your signal on so it searches where it wants to go. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? It's supposed to indicate me when it finds a spot. It's not working. All right, so it didn't even work there, which is weird. Oh, okay, space found, it says. Keep moving forward. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and try it over here further in the parking lot and see if we can't get this thing to work. Okay, let's say we want to turn over here. Okay, let's see if it'll find the spot for us. It says you have to put your signal on. It says it's gonna alert me when it finds a spot. Is it not gonna find the spot? It doesn't appear to be finding the spot, guys. It's just not working. We really got two angles going right now, so hopefully we can get this to work, because I'm really curious to see it work, and I wanna see what this feels like, because I am not confident in its abilities whatsoever. So we're gonna turn this down to off, actually, and we're gonna put this thing into this, and we're just gonna roll and see. Maybe you need to only do it on the right side, I guess. See, there's spots right there, boys. There is spots, in fact, on both sides over here. Let's see. Oh, it's space found. Stop and remove hands from wheel. Okay, shift to reverse. All right, boys, check area and then move backwards. Oh my god, guys, it's doing it right now. What? I'm not very confident right now. Is it gonna stop me, or what's going on here? It's gonna hit that car if I keep going. I don't know. Oh, okay. Yo, this is mad crazy. Oh, that's why. Maybe because this car's over the line and it's trying to match with the lines. I have no idea what's going on, to be honest. These guys are probably like, what's going on? I don't know about this. This is weird. I don't trust it, to be honest, but it appears to be doing it. I mean, It's a little tight, but it's self-driving itself right now, which is a little crazy. This is a tight spot too, but it works. That's super weird. I do not like it. But you know, things happen, you know. It appears to actually work, which is super weird, and I'm sure you guys got it on the GoPro view over there. It's just it's not a fun time. I mean, like I don't know, that spot over there though. I'll get out and show you guys, because it's a little bit wonky, kind of how the spot is. There's like 2 cars, but one's over the line and there's ice and stuff, and I don't know why it didn't. I think it's supposed to tell me in here that I need to like shift into drive, but it wasn't telling me that. So then when I shifted into drive, it wasn't putting me in drive. I don't know, it didn't tell me to put it into drive, but I knew it was gonna hit that car if I didn't. So yeah, I don't know. So let's see if we can go into this wider spot maybe and try it one more time. But that's actually crazy, guys. Like the feeling of the steering wheel just going on its own and you're just hands up, like, oh, that's a little scary, I'm gonna be honest with you. But you gotta have a little bit of confidence and have some fun for these videos, I suppose. So let's go ahead and spin back around and do it again, but this time let's hit the spot that has a little bit more room, hopefully. And hopefully it lets me go into this spot rather than the one where they both don't know how to park. All right, we're gonna put it on. We're gonna be searching here. We're gonna put our signal on where we're trying to go. We're trying to go into this spot right here where you guys can see. Hopefully it finds it here in a second. You can see there. Is it gonna find it? Is it gonna find it? It's not finding it. Okay. Oh, I put it in the wrong thing, that's why. Okay, space found. Stop and remove hands from the wheel. Okay, shift to reverse. All right, let's do this again. Check the area. Okay, move backwards. Hands are off the wheel, guys. Hands are off the wheel. I'm very unconfident in what's happening here, to be honest. I'm very close to this car. All right, it's going. Oh my God, I am so close to this car right now. I'm just not confident in what's happening right here. I was too far forward. I do not want to get scraping another car here in the parking lot testing this right now. But yeah, it appears to work. My anxiety with that is just not very confident. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. My confidence with this thing is it ain't there. It's kind of funny actually to see how it works. But yeah, I don't know. I think because I was too far up and I put it in the mode too quick or in the wrong way. So I think I might try that again one more time. But this time we're gonna get it right and we're gonna actually successfully park and pull into the spot that we were trying to pull into. We got the GoPro set up here. This is where you guys are seeing that other angle. So hopefully it's a good angle and you guys are actually able to see. But yeah, we got the camera angle, which is we're working here. Let's see. So maybe this isn't exactly self-driving, but I guess kinda, because you still have to use the gas and the brake. But overall, I guess it does technically park itself, and it technically is driving itself with the steering wheel. So yeah, maybe it is the next Tesla, I don't know. But all right, let's go ahead and see if we can't get this thing to work. Put that on. We're gonna switch it here to the correct mode. Put our signal on here where we're trying to go. We're trying to go right here. Okay, space found, stop, remove hands. Hopefully it goes to the right one this time. Okay, let's see what it's gonna say. Okay, shift to reverse. I think it's gonna try and go in that other spot again. Yep, it is. Okay, we don't wanna go to that spot. Okay, all right, we need to go to drive again. It's just, it doesn't wanna work for that spot right now because that other spot is kind of taking it, I think. But yeah, guys, it technically, I guess, is self-driving and parking itself right now, which is, you know, a little bit interesting for me, and definitely something that's, like I said, I'm not very comfortable with it. I'm a confident driver, so I like to just drive on my own, and I think it's a little bit more like of a confidence thing. But I'm gonna try and get a couple buddies in their Jeeps or something where it's like not as just random people, and park those and see, you know, maybe we'll be able to park between those with a little bit better space in the middle of a parking lot. But yeah, whenever I get some buddies to do that video, I will make another updated video, and hopefully the parking sensor, whatever this is down here, wherever it parks itself, hopefully it parks itself a little bit better. But I got another video to record for this week, guys. We're stacking up the videos, and we're just, you know, the Jeep SRT. Good, bad, I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. But did it park itself? Did it drive itself? I don't know. That's for you guys to decide. I guess it's pretty cool. Never used it, probably never will. But, you know, it is what it is. Wanted to show you guys that feature and check it out. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.